Do not let finances determine your faithfulness. Minsan iniisip natin, kailangan meron akong sobra. And that's only when I will give to the Lord. If only I had more money, I would do more for the Lord. Baka iba nagsasabi ng ganyan, kung meron lang akong extra, kung may sobra, I will do more for the Lord. Money is never the obstacle. But let me tell you what the obstacle is. Discontentment is the obstacle. And that's why i-resolve muna nating maging content. And one way to find out if we're living a life that is truly content is we're not allowing money to determine our faithfulness. Yung hihintayin muna bago magkaroon ng extra, sumobra. Remember, kapag walang contentment sa puso, kapag hindi nyo po kayang sumunod, kung meron lang po kayong 10 piso sa inyong bulsa, mahihirapan pa rin kayong sumunod kahit kayo may 10,000 sa inyong bulsa. Because we are letting circumstances and our financial situation dictate our response and our faithfulness. Kaya wag natin isipin na ito ay hadlang. Hindi po kawalan ang dahilan discontentment is.